Hello and welcome to my swing trading documentation number 3. Today is Friday, July 14, 2017. As you can see, it is 4:12, which is after market. I'm going to start off by showing the alerts that I set up earlier. This is a TD Ameritrade platform. You can download this in the App Store if you like it. I'm not going to talk about all of the alerts I set up. Instead, I'm only going to talk about one stock that I see the most potential in, and that is AMD. The stock has been upgraded by Citigroup recently, and this is mainly due to its Ryzen chip series that they released earlier this year. The chip series create a high competitiveness against Intel. This series have great potential in taking some market share away from Intel, who is a dominant player in CPU currently. I set up the alert at $13, which I think provides me with a good security. If AMD report shows a good amount of the new chips is being sold, this could mean that this is the beginning of AMD taking a good amount of market share away from Intel. However, with the earnings report approaching July 25th, I went ahead and bought some share, as you can see here, at $13.74. I have an exit price at $14.40 on or before July 25th for swing trading. First off is GoPro. I bought this stock last week at $8.05. I bought some more share today and my average cost is $8.07. There are so much negativity around the stock and I can see why. The management team haven't done a good job at carrying out their products and they haven't done much to attract new investors. However, I see a great potential in this stock at this price. GoPro is far from going out of business and its brand is still pretty popular. They released their Fusion 360 camera a few days ago. They shipped out the first pilot test group and I think there's a lot of potential in this camera. Not only that, it's Hero 6 which is going to be released hopefully before the holiday. Hero products are a great hit for GoPro and I expect the 6 to be the same due to its feature and better camera performance. Next off is e.l.f. Beauty. I have traded e.l.f. Beauty a couple weeks ago and made a decent profit out of it. e.l.f. Beauty, as the name suggests, is a beauty brand. They target towards the selfie generation by providing lower cost but high quality makeup products. I did some research on consumer satisfaction on the product because I don't use makeup myself, and most people say that some of their products are great. Of course, when you compare them to Ulta Beauty, their quality is not going to be as good as them, but they don't have to be. They just need to focus on lower cost and high quality product for their niche. I got in the stock around $25.18 and have an exit price of $26. I may even hold a little bit longer than usual because they have potential to go back to $28. Lastly, I have Muse Software. They have a strong report in the last quarter. This means that the overall sentiment of this IPO is positive towards the next earning report. So I went ahead and bought some share at $24.94 and have an exit price of $26. As you can see down here that their report is on July 27, but most likely I will sell the shares and take some profit before the earning. This will conclude this documentation. Overall, I am about $190 down, which is a $100 improvement since my last video. I hope this documentation will help some people, whether in swing trading or just trading in general, and have a great day.